Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a simple firewall application in Python. Creating a basic firewall application involves several key components, including monitoring network traffic and filtering packets based on specified rules. We are going to write a simple firewall code in Python using the scapy library to illustrate how to create a basic packet filter. This code will block incoming packets from a specified IP address. So first you need to make sure you have Python installed, and you can install scapy with this command. You can just open a terminal and type pip install scapy. I already have it on my system, so just going to skip this one. And now we are going to import scapy. So this would be from scapy all import asterisk. This imports all the functionalities of the scapy library, which is used for network packet manipulation and analysis. Then we are going to import OS. This imports the OS module, which allows you to interact with the operating system, such as existing the script. So now the configuration, we are going to use blocked IP, and this one I'm going to set to my IP. So I'm just gonna do on Windows IP config and look up my IP address, and I'm just going to use that one, the one over here, and I'll just paste it. Okay, so I'm just going to block my own IP. So this variable defines the IP address that you want to block. You can change this to any IP address you want. Next, we're going to add packet callback function. Packet callback. This defines a function that processes each packet captured by the sniffer. And we're going to use if IP and packet. If IP in packet, this checks if the packet contains an IP layer. Not all packets will have an IP layer, so this prevents error. And we need to get the source IP. the source IP. If the packet is an IP packet, this extract the source IP address. And then we check if source IP equals to blocked IP. This checks if the source IP matches the blocked IP. Return, drop the packet, else print. Load packet from source IP. So the return will exit the function without processing further, effectively dropping the packet. And the else, it prints a message indicating that the packet is allowed. Then we are going to add a sniffing function. Start firewall. Starting firewall. Press Control C to stop. The start firewall function defines a function to start the firewall, and this print message displays a message indicating that the firewall is starting. Then we have a try begins a block that will attempt to run the sniffing function. So let's add try. Capture packets without storing them. So this function captures packets on the network, and PRN value set to packet callback specifies that packet callback should be called for each packet captured. And store value set to 0 indicates that the packet should not be stored in memory, which saves resources. And then we are going to add accept. Accept keyboard interrupt. We are going to print message, firewall stopped. And exits the program immediately. This would be OS exit. Then we have our main block. set function start firewall. So start firewall called the start firewall function to begin monitoring network traffic. So let's run our code. We need an indentation here. Also, this is a if. And when we run our code, here is the output. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Also, go like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you.